So I'm Harry Dizon. I'm the regional manager for ODYS in the Southeast Asian market. Probably start building your own websites using a premium age domain. It's a good one for sure. If you're a newbie, I guess working with agencies could help you out a lot. It would lead you to a lot of experiences, although it's going to be hard to begin things. I mean, at the beginning, because you're going to be doing a lot of things. But that's the thing. If you really want to learn, you have to do your part. You're gonna get through some struggles, but I think for me personally, that's the best way to learn. So it may not apply to you, or it may. So yeah, but for me, that's what helped me out. So ODYS is the largest marketplace for age domain. So we have thousands of domains and websites inside or for our inventory for across all niches and industries, almost all countries as well.
Presenting your one-stop shop for SEO, GMB, link building, content creation, web design, and more. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. Enjoy 40 to 60% off for our services. Kherk Roldan White Label SEO Solutions. The best dashboard for SEOs, agencies, and freelancers.
You have 3-1 redirects, right?
Yep. Yeah. So that's also another service that we provide. So the age domains that we have is we are doing a 301 redirect service. If once you buy it, we could do that service for you. Since all of these domains are kind of aged and premium, the backlinks or the authority that's been built to these sites already, once we do those 301 redirects are also going to be transferred. So imagine all the authority and trustworthiness that these domains have, and we do a proper 301 redirect to your target website, then all of those backlinks and yeah, definitely. First thing is, the main thing is you can go to odys.global to check out the inventory. So it's free for you to create an account and check out the inventory. Or if you have any, you need some assistance, you can reach out to me on any social media or so harry.d@odys.global. Can look me up on LinkedIn or Facebook or anywhere. Harry Dizon. Same thing everywhere.